The wind turbine output. Power Interactive Calculator helps engineers determine turbine performance parameters and optimize wind energy systems. This calculator offers 6 calculation modes: calculate output power, calculate required wind speed, calculate required rotor diameter, calculate system efficiency, calculate air density from conditions, and calculate annual energy production. For this demonstration, I'm using calculate output power mode. The input fields include air density in kilograms per cubic meter, rotor diameter in meters, wind speed in meters per second, power coefficient, transmission efficiency, output power in kilowatts, temperature in Celsius, atmospheric pressure in kilopascals, average wind speed and capacity factor. Let's work through an example. I'll enter air density 1.225, rotor diameter 80 meters, wind speed 12 meters per second, power coefficient 0.45, and transmission efficiency 0.95. After clicking Calculate, we get output power of 2274.34 kilowatts, swept area of 5026.55 square meters, available power of 5320.10 kilowatts, and captured power of 2394.04 kilowatts. The BETS limit percentage shows 75.9% with a status of excellent efficiency, indicating this turbine configuration performs very well. This tool streamlines wind turbine analysis for any engineering project. Find the link in the description below.